To change phone language on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here you have to scroll all the way down and go into the system, and then go into the languages. And from here we have to go into the system languages and add a language. And from here we have to select any language that you want to add actually. So let's select the Spanish language from here. And we have to wait, as we selected this language, we have to wait for the changes to apply, and then we have the preferred language order. So simply now move this language which you have chosen to the first place, and you are being asked if you want to change the language, the system language, and as you press the change button you will have to wait for the changes to apply. And as you can see right here, now we have the Spanish language selected for the Redmi A5. And that is how to do this.